Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be introducing you to a brand new website called Spincash Technologies. Spincash was launched on the 16th of December 2023 by JTech. They have many ways of making money online by watching videos such as YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and then also answering math questions or what they term as trivia questions. You can also write blogs on this website and make money by doing that. There are so many ways to make money on this website. Without wasting much time, let's get straight to the registration process. Click on the first link in the video description to be taken to this particular page where you need to enter your username right here. Your username should be a mix of letters and the numbers. You need to mix your username with letters and numbers. Make sure you have the sponsor right here to be Bright Ideas GH. First is your username, so something like then we enter our mobile number right here. Enter our email. We choose a password for ourselves, and then we click on where it says register. After clicking on where it says register, you need to enter your username. You need to enter your username right here, and then enter the password which you chose for your account. And then when you click on login, you are going to be taken to a payment gateway.
You can activate your account. The first thing you need to do is you input your username, then you enter your password. After that, then you click on login. So when you click on login, they automatically send you payment details. Here you enter your first name as used on Momo. So my Momo name is Juliet. Yeah. Then the second thing here you need to do is input your Gmail address that you input at the same. Then with that, then you click on pay. Okay. So here then you choose your network. I'm using MTN. So here then you put your mobile number again. When done inputting your mobile number, then you click on pay. Then you click on proceed and wait for them to send you payment prompt. So here they will send you some code and you put into the enter OTP. So the code is 637751. 637751. Then you done, then you click on complete. When you say complete payment, so here you will receive an authorized payment like this. Here then you input your mobile money pin. So when you then input your mobile money pin, then you click on yes. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. So when you done, then you click on OK. Time for your payment. So then you wait for it to be added. After that, then you log in. You are able to activate your account. So this is how you can activate your account.
So since I already have an account, let me log in right here for you to see and then show you how you can make money here. As you can see on my dashboard here, it shows a expense of 45 Ghana cedis, which is the money I actually spent in the registration process. 45 Ghana cedis. And then we have profit gain of 130 Ghana cedis. Profit of 130 Ghana cedis. So you can see in my account balance right here is 48 Ghana cedis. The reason why you cannot see the full 130 Ghana cedis is because I have placed a withdrawal. Yes, I have placed a withdrawal and it will be coming in soon. Then we have referral earnings, which is 100 Ghana cedis. We have trivia balance. It's 0.00 because I haven't done any trivia questions yet. Then we have WhatsApp balance. This is done With the WhatsApp balance, you are going to be given a particular image or anything at all to post on your WhatsApp status, and then in after 12 hours you are going to take a screenshot of the picture and then the number of views in which you got, and then you submit that to this particular website right here, and then you earn money for that as well. Depending on the number of views you get, that's the number of money they are going to pay you for that. Also, we have the spin balance, because I haven't yet spin anything yet. And then we have TikTok balance. After watching my TikTok video, I got that balance, that money right there. And then after clicking on an ad, actually you are not going to click on any ad, it's just that you've written something there, you just click on that, and then that's all. So with the next step, I'll show you how to earn on this platform. You click right here on these three lines, which you can see at the upper left corner here, and then you scroll through, and as you can see, we have make deposit, redeem cashback, claim. Redeem cashback is eligible when you haven't earned anything from this particular website. That's when they are going to give you a cashback of 90%. They'll give you a cashback for you not earning anything on this particular website, which you can withdraw to your mobile money account. And we also have claim bonus, we have withdrawal balance, and then we have withdraw activities balance, we have withdraw WhatsApp balance, then we have downlines, we have trivia. So with the trivia, this is how you go about it. After clicking on trivia, you are going to see that they will write something, which is you only have few seconds to tackle the questions. If time elapsed, you will be credited 0 points. Time left is there is no time left there because the trivia option is not yet available. They don't have questions for that yet. So we come to math for fun. Now with the math for fun options, you will be given questions to answer. You're actually going to be answering 3 or 4 questions, and these are the answers to the questions that you will be given. After you are done that, click on submit, and then you come back to where it says watch. You click watch, and then you click on TikTok, and then you are going to see written here claim cash. You click on that, and then your money will be credited into your account. No need to click on the video to watch it. It is written here TikTok video watch because I have already watched this video. Then you come back to watch, and then you click on YouTube. You do the same thing, and then you come to click adverts, and then you are going to see where they've written click ad. You click on that, and you are going to make money from clicking on just that as well. Also, we have the WhatsApp page. The WhatsApp page, you click on it, we come to submit views. You click here to get your product or whatever they want you to post on your status. You click here, you download the image which has been given to you, post that on your WhatsApp status, and then after 12 hours you come back and then submit the number of views. In case you get 100 views or 1,000 views, you just write that right here, and then click on where it says choose file, and then click on files, and then submit whatever picture or whatever you want to submit on the site. And then after that, you click on submit, and then that's it. So with this website, they have a referral option, and when you scroll down on the dashboard, you see written here referral link, where you need to click on copy to copy your referral link and then share to your friends. When you share this and you invite one person, you get 25 Ghana cedis per referral. When you invite one person, you get 25 Ghana cedis. When the person in which you invited also invites someone, you are going to get a sum of 10 Ghana cedis for that as well. And then when that person also invites another person, you are going to get a sum of 5 Ghana cedis as well. So this is a cool cash. Join this website early because we all know it may leave early. this is a Christmas season. We all need to make some cool cash online. With just 45 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to make that money online. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a